California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern San Bernardino County in Southern California, southeastern Inyo County in South Central California, until 5:45 p.m. PDT. At 5:11 p.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Sandy Valley, or 19 miles west of Blue Diamond, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Sandy Valley, Mountain Springs, and Mount Potosi. This includes State Route 160 in Clark County between mile markers 21 and 36. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. PDT for the following county: San Bernardino, California.